Second thali is come. This is my fish thali. I'll eat one more fugia though. And my stomach will also fugia. Mutton and poha together. Oh.
All of these recipes are the generational one passed down from one generation to another. My mom and dad actually come here and they train my chefs.
Outside potato, inside prawn. Prawn with spices, onion, masalas. Oh, I love this.
There's a bottle masala which is like our iconic masala. The name actually comes from when the ladies used to say दारूचे बाटले असायचे त्याच्यामध्ये they used to store the masalas.
Oh, intense. This flavor is intense. मुंबई एक बहुत ही बड़ा शहर है। इस शहर में हर राज्य के, हर प्रांत के, हर कम्युनिटी के लोग रहते हैं। लेकिन एक ऐसा वक्त था जब यहाँ गिने चुने लोग ही रहते थे। कोली रहते थे और एक और कम्युनिटी रहती थी यहाँ जो मुंबई की ओरिजिनल कम्युनिटी है, जिसे हम कहते हैं ईस्ट इंडियन कम्युनिटी। और आज हम इसी ईस्ट इंडियन कम्युनिटी के क्विजीन को डिस्कवर करने आए हैं। रेस्टोरेंट का नाम है फ्रेनीज। हम है बैंड्रा वेस्ट में, जहां ईस्ट इंडियन कम्युनिटी का गौठन हुआ करता था। और मिलते हैं खुद फ्रेनी से और उससे पूछते हैं कि खाने में क्या है। चलो लेट्स गो। ये बहुत कम होता है कि रेस्टोरेंट का नाम और ओनर का नाम सेम होता है। और दिस इज फ्रेनी फर्नांडिस। द रेस्टोरेंट इज नेम्ड आफ्टर यू।
Yes.
द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग आई वांट टू आस्क यू फ्रेनी इज दैट बहुत लोगों को पता नहीं कि ये कम्युनिटी जो ईस्ट इंडियन कम्युनिटी है वो कौन है लोग। इससे पहले कि हम खाने के बारे में बात करें, थोड़ा ईस्ट इंडियन कम्युनिटी के बारे में आप मुझे
बिल्कुल। सो वो जो कम्युनिटी है, जो कैथलिक ऑफ बॉम्बे जो वो कम्युनिटी है, उनको हम लोग ईस्ट इंडियंस बोलते हैं। बिकॉज तभी बहुत सारे लोग वो जो है पोर्चुगीज के लिए, ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी के लिए काम करते थे। तो तभी जब भी बॉम्बे में बाहर के कैथलिक्स आने लगे, गोवन या फिर केरला कैथलिक्स, तो जस्ट टू डिफरेंशिएट देमसेल्व्स कि उनका नाम उनको कैसे अलग से एक आइडेंटिटी मिले, तो दे स्टार्टेड कॉलिंग देमसेल्व्स द ईस्ट इंडियन कैथलिक्स। तो वैसे हमारा नाम
तो ईस्ट इंडियन नाम इसलिए आता है, इसलिए नहीं कि आप ईस्ट ऑफ इंडिया से आते हो करके। और ये जो कम्युनिटी है, क्योंकि ये मुंबई या बॉम्बे की स्थानिक कम्युनिटी है, आपका जो खाना है, क्विजीन है, वो बाकी कैथलिक कम्युनिटी यानी मैंगलोरियन या गोवन या सीरियन क्रिश्चियन से थोड़ा सा अलग है। हाँ।
सो हमारे इसमें महाराष्ट्रियन फूड का भी बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस है, बिकॉज वी आर फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र। सो हमारे खाने में बहुत हम लोग चिंच जो है, टैमरिंड, वो बहुत यूज करते हैं। फिर हम लोग की जो मसाले रहते हैं, दे आर मोर ऑन द महाराष्ट्रियन साइड। जैसे गोवन रहते हैं या केरला में ज्यादा कोकोनट यूज करते हैं। हम लोग ज्यादा मतलब स्पाइसेस, वेजिटेबल्स हम लोग बहुत यूज करते हैं। हम लोग टैमरिंड यूज करते हैं।
क्या आप सोच रहे हो कि टेबल पे इतना कम खाना क्यों है? लेकिन आप डरो मत, क्योंकि खाना बहुत सारा आ रहा है। ये तो सिर्फ स्टार्टर्स है। These are slightly evolved starters from the East Indian cuisine, but they have been tweaked a little bit to modernize them. But इसके बाद जो आ रहा है खाना, थालियाँ आ रही है, 2 या 3 थाली आ रहे हैं, मेन कोर्स आ रहा है, मटन आ रहा है, रस्सा आ रहा है, बहुत सारा आ रहा है। शुरुआत मैं यहाँ से कर रहा हूँ। ये है टाइगर प्रॉन्स इन ईस्ट इंडियन मसाला। फर्स्ट लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब, उसके बाद ही मैं खाऊंगा। चलो मैं रुका हूँ। डन? सब्सक्राइब्ड? ओके, हियर गोस। This is nice. Homegrown masalas, spices, big juicy fresh prawns. And remember, the East Indian community is largely a coastal community because Mumbai के सभी islands जो थे were surrounded by the sea. Mumbai even today is surrounded by the sea. Vasai is a very famous fort on the beach. It was also a very important town during the days of the East India Company. So fish is very important, and fish with these spices is beautiful. I also love when the prawn is served with the head on, because इसका जो head होता है ना, उसमें इतने juices होते हैं कि ये head फेंक देना पाप है, पाप. This is where all the flavor is in the head of the prawn. Oh, I know this looks like a mess, but this is really nice.
1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute chicken. Frankie's chicken in a minute.
Come together with Drenkies.
There's a bottle masala, which is like our iconic masala. The name actually comes from when the ladies used to say दारूचे बाटले असायचे त्याच्यामध्ये they used to store the masalas, which is where the bottle masala name came from. But in that also there are many different types of masala. There is, suppose आमचा मटणाचा मसाला असतो, so we call it mutton masala.
Okay.
Then there is Indial, there is puri. So in that also there are different variations of masala.
Of the bottle masala
Of the
itself.
bottle masala. जो bottle masala हम लोग फ्रेनीज में यूज करते हैं, वो सब मेरी मॉम, like my mom makes it. पहले वो साल में एक बार बनाती थी. अभी because of the restaurant demand, she makes it 3 to 4 times a year. जहाँ पे वो जाके जो मिर्ची है and all the spices, अलग अलग जो गरम मसाले, she brings all of that home. वो घर पे सुखाते हैं हम लोग. Then she gets the women home to ground it. तो ग्राउंड करके पैकेज करके सब हम लोग जो भी मसाले यूज करते हैं फ्रेनीज में, वो सब मेरी मम्मी बनाती है.
और एक आखिरी सवाल, ये जो रेसिपीज है आज जो हम खाना खाने वाले हैं और जो मेन्यू पे है, वो रेसिपीज आर फ्रॉम द फैमिली?
Yes, so they are all either my mom, my grandmother or my dad's recipes.
Okay.
So all of these recipes are the generational one passed down from one generation to another.
Okay.
And my mom and dad actually come here and they train my chefs.
And they
more than
check?
me. They check.
बराबर किया है या नहीं?
My dad even, so there's a curry called Peter's mutton curry. My dad's name is Peter. So वो आते हैं यहाँ पे Saturday Sunday को, जब भी गेस्ट खाते हैं वो ऐसे देखते हैं कसं वाटलं जेवण कसं आहे. So he is like making sure that everybody is enjoying his food.
Nice. Thanks to Shemaru, we're now available on in-flight entertainment across multiple airlines. Catch us on screen, on board and in front of you, exclusively by Shemaru. Okay, अब this is very interesting. ये जो है इसे कहते हैं टोप मटन. टोप is the name of the vessel that the mutton is cooked in. और ये आपको लग रहा है बिरयानी है, लेकिन ये बिरयानी नहीं है, ये पोहा है. मटन एंड पोहा टुगेदर. अगर आप विरार वसई जाओगे ना, तो वहाँ भुजिंग करके एक डिश मिलती है पोहा और रोस्ट चिकन की. दिस इज द प्रीडिसेसर, दिस इज द ओरिजिन ऑफ द भुजिंग. इट्स मटन एंड पोटैटो कुक्ड इन पोहा विद ईस्ट इंडियन बॉटल मसाला स्पाइसेस. ओह, सब जो पोहा खाने वाले हैं ना, ये पोहा ट्राई करके देखो आप. पोहा, मटन एंड आलू. सो बटाटा पोहा with mutton in it. Okay, amongst most Catholic cuisines, pork is quite important. This is slightly about pork belly taco with East Indian spices on it. When you take a concept that is essentially Western or foreign, like a taco, and then you add Indian spices to it, और उसमें मसाले जाते हैं, फिर फ्लेवर familiar हो जाता है. कड़ी पत्ता भी है इसमें. Right. This is something that I really like. Potato and prawn chops. Outside potato, inside prawn. Prawn with spices, onion, masalas. Oh, I love this. Soft potato, crisp outside, chopped minced prawn, spices, onion, coriander, fresh. Beautiful. People call it chops as well. अभी ये जो है, ये जो आपको डोनट जैसे दिख रहे हैं, is a typical East Indian bread called fuyas. You normally eat it with mutton curry, etc. You can eat it by themselves also. They're slightly sweet. And I'll show you the correct way to eat these when my thali comes. I'm going to try a little bit of this East Indian mutton starter. Like an East Indian kebab it is, with a little bit of gherkin on top. You can see how beautifully fresh the keema is, how this cutlet has come together without disintegrating. It's mildly spiced, but just very nice because of the quality of this meat. Now I think we'll wait for the thali to come and then I will have this mutton. Little break in the middle with a feni drink. It's a bit like orak which you get in Goa. Only this with black salt, a little bit of lemonade and green chilies. So you get this little happening down your throat when you drink it.
1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute chicken. Frankie's Chicken in minutes.
Come together with Drankies.
मेरी पहली थाली आ रही है. Chicken thali with fugiyas. This is the chicken thali, okay? It comes with the chicken preparation which is typically East Indian called fritad, which is with butter masala and spices. This is a green moong dal, which is very, very East Indian. It's come with another chop, which is already here, but I'm going to eat it again, and fugiyas, which is the way all curry should be eaten. And rice if you want some. I'm going to start with the fugiya. And this is how this must be eaten. Chicken fritad. Okay, 1 minute. Let me just try and get a piece of chicken out. It's got tamarind in it, nice and sour tamarind, robust butter masala, which is the red version of the masala. The fugiyas are crisp and soft and slightly sweet. So imagine this sourness, okay, along with the spiciness, and then eaten with a donut, which is slightly sweet. Oh, that's green moong dal. Very unusual. I think it's got a lot of coriander and red green chili. Shall I eat the rice or shall I wait? I think I'll wait, okay? I'll eat one more fugiya though, but there's more food coming. Then my stomach will also fugiya. I'll have one more, no? A little bit. Thoda sa khate hain. Chicken ko. Now for the next thali. We'll wait. Second thali is come. This is my fish thali.
Yes, sir.
Yellow puris curry, suka bombil kanda, fugiyas. This is the green dal that we just saw. And this is the surmai, rava fried. And this is hand bread, the white hand bread. This is wedding pickle. I'm going to try this wedding pickle because wedding pickle is supposed to be iconic. It's like a kimchi, literally like a kimchi. I'm going to try the hand bread with this suka bombil kanda. There's something about suka bombil, which is a dried Bombay duck. I just really like. So you buy Bombay duck dried, you rehydrate it, and then you tossed it in onion. Got an extremely pungent flavor, very, very full of umami. I'm going to try the hand bread with this fish curry. And the fresh surmai. Oh, this is very nice. I think there's one more thali coming. There's only so much I can physically eat. And my pork thali.
Pork vindaloo, chicken potato chop, pork sarpatel, the fugiyas, rice bakri, inao salad, East Indian wedding pickle, and the steamer, that's kolam rice.
I'm going to start with this sopatel over here. Now if you look at it, it's distinctly different looking from a Mangalorean sarpatel or a Goan sarpatel. Much drier, much more like a pickle. Oh, intense. This flavor is intense with spices, with pork liver, pieces of fat in it. It's just beautiful. I'm going to try this vindaloo with the famous hand bread, which is like a rice roti. Oh, mama, this looks really nice. And there's one dish that I've kept for the end, which is Freni's iconic dish created by her father Peter and famously known here as Peter's curry. And this, I'm just looking at this curry, and the one thing that strikes me immediately is the way this potato has soaked in the curry and taken in all the wonderful juices of no better potato to eat than a potato with this kind of curry. Peter's curry, God bless Peter. Oh, and there is no way I'm going to eat this without these fugiyas. This is really nice. To think about how in our country cuisines change with communities, the variety of cuisine that we have. It's such a small, hardly known community like the East Indians, but what a robustly large cuisine, full of spices, full of flavors, full of textures, and full of really good local produce. This is one of the finest coastal meals I've had, and a coastal meal without too much coconut. Coconut used just sparingly and where required is the kind of food that I really like. अगर आपको ये अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ राइट टू अस, शेयर कीजिएगा, कमेंट कीजिएगा और आते रहिए, खाते रहिए और पूछते रहिए खाने में क्या है. लेकिन मेरे को लगता है डिजर्ट आ रहा है कुछ थोड़ा. You know, the thing is, Frini herself is an expert pastry chef, and so there's no wonder that the desserts over here they look spectacular. This is like a traditional East Indian pancake which has evolved into, or maybe not, it's just an East Indian pancake stuffed with coconut and jaggery and rice pancake outside. This is of course a humongous coffee bean because it's their tiramisu. Shade du Rose. You can see it's a rose, the little garden happening over here, and it's got baklava and chocolate and lots of goodies inside. I hate destroying this, but क्या करूँ, खाने का है तो destroy करना पड़ेगा इसको. कितना देखोगे यार, बाय बाय बोलते हैं अभी. Cut. Fruit, Sunday, I'm eating on Wednesday.
Meringue kisses, banana jelly. So it's called every Sunday because it's everything it has is what mom would make on a Sunday. Like a super nostalgic dessert. Like everybody's mom would make custard and raspberry jelly.
Correct.
My take on that dessert.
Every Sunday. Nostalgic mom's dessert.